Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before starting this video, I would just like to tell you all something that 1.5 years back when I started my own channel, I used to watch a lot of beauty bloggers talking about this brand Bioderma, that the micellar water is very good. It is the best micellar water across the world. When I started my channel with hopes that even one day Bioderma would approach me too, and that day has come very soon in my life. Bioderma did approach me and they wanted me to try out their micellar water, which is very famous micellar water across the world. So I was really thrilled and thankful to the brand for approaching me. Honestly guys, this couldn't have been possible without your support, and I'm really thankful to each one of you all for supporting me and helping me to that this brand has reached me and they've asked me to talk about their product, which is already so famous. I'm at short of words. So without wasting any further time, let's talk about this well-known product. As you all know that this product came in my PR, so now let's talk about this product. The first thing is that this is one of the best micellar waters anyone can ever use because it is so lightweight. It would suit any skin type, from normal to dry to combination to even to sensitive skin type, because this does not has any oil in that. It has plain water, as in it's just micellar water, so you don't have any oil particles in it, which makes it great for every skin tone, skin type to use it. Second thing is that the smell is so refreshing that you would actually love to use the product. I have honestly used this much, which talks so much about the product already. Also, the next best thing about this micellar water is that no matter how waterproof your makeup is, this would remove every speck of your makeup in no time. That is the best thing I like about it, because even if you're wearing a heavy duty mascara, a heavy duty liner, or even a very black smoky kajal eye, it would remove your makeup in one swipe. So this is the best thing that I feel about this product. Also, the best part about it is that the prices of this has dropped to $3.95, which makes it suitable for every person across the universe to use it and to try it, to know what the hype is actually about. Now guys, see, if you are using a product which is cheaper at the cost but it is really impacting on your skin, then why to use such product? So I completely feel that this micellar water is completely worth it, and I would recommend everyone to go for it. Also, now Bioderma is available on India's website. I would be mentioning the link in the description box and also on the screen, so that you guys can go ahead and purchase it. I completely agree with the ideology of Bioderma, which says that they believe in art of maintaining the skin and not over treating it, which means that they completely believe in maintaining any skin type that you are and not over treating it with some chemicals in it. So I really love the product, and I would recommend everyone to go ahead and purchase. Being into this beauty industry and wearing makeup almost every day, I feel that most of the micellar waters, when I use it on my face, if by mistake they go into my eyes tend to burn a lot. And you guys are aware that I wear contacts, so I was looking for a micellar water which is very good, and even which if goes into my eyes, it doesn't give me any burning sensation. So this micellar water, when even if it goes into my eyes, it does not cause any burning sensation. I really love this micellar water. It is very lightweight and very soothing, calming on your skin. you would just feel like that you are applying some water, cotton dipped into water and on your face, but it would remove every speck of your makeup. So yes, let's get into the demo part and let's see what the hype is all about. I hope you liked this video of mine, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to check the description box. I would be leaving the link in the description box. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care and be safe. Keep buying this micellar water because this is the best micellar water in the market as of now.